Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. It feels so good to say that. It also feels a little good to record at home on my mic. It's been a while. Sometimes when I'm in the park, I forget those alrighties. Before I get started, guys, obviously there is paint going on. Like I said yesterday, they are painting Daredeviler's supports. But before I get started, we have dropped our tickets for September 12th at Canada's Wonderland, our last event of the year. You can either join us for a full day, that's Yukon Striker ERT, 2 tours, part Q&A, and 2 hours of LRT on Elpin Fury and Leviathan, or you can join us for just the LRT portion, 2 hours on Elpin Fury and Leviathan. Tickets down below. You got to check them out. It's a really good deal right now. So if you're thinking about coming, do that. So obviously they've painted Daredeviler. That's all I have to say. They're going to start commissioning tomorrow or today, depending on when you're watching this. So July 14th, they will start testing the trains. And they have about 500 to 1,000 cycles to run. So it should be opening probably within the next week, as long as things go really good. So yeah, commissioning starts tomorrow, July 14th. Over here in World Expo / Action Zone, Chicken Shack has been fenced off. So it is fenced off. We're preparing for your future enjoyment. They've painted the sidewalls, the Daredeviler green, and they are getting rid of the facade / ripping all the Winterfest windows out. So I think they're going to be painting that as well. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. I was really hoping for the windmill theme, but this is halfway through the season, so I'm not quite sure the direction Wonderland's going and what they're going to utilize this building for. So we'll have to wait and see. It is a very big seating area, so a lot of potential there. So we'll be keeping our eyes open on this building. Very exciting.